Epcot round 2.
Yeah, we just had the coolest minivan driver.
We did. Our minivan driver was an
Ben.
extremely knowledgeable driver.
It's awesome.
He had a lot of information, we'll say, about Disney. Very awesome. If you get Ben as a minivan driver,
Ask him a lot of questions.
ask him a lot of questions. He has answers.
Yeah.
All right, let's go find our friends and enjoy Epcot and Moonlight Magic.
Well, 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 look who we found.
She's barely awake, guys. This is a happy clown, though. I'll give
That's the only one I can find.
That's a good clown. I'll take that. That's a funny.
Show us the card. In case you don't know, Bryson loves clouds.
Time for us to take off with the 3 Caballeros.
So cute, and it's really not that busy, and it is turned into an absolutely beautiful night here at Epcot for Moonlight Magic. So glad that the rain has passed and we can have a beautiful night, and it's going to be really fun. We've got a group of us here, so we're going to ride some rides, we're going to get some drinks. I said that I wanted an American Dream slushie from the American Pavilion, and Bob said I couldn't have that because it was his, so I'm hoping he'll share it with me for the night. We'll see. Stay tuned for that.
What you got?
The American Dream slushie.
Is it gonna be good?
Yeah, I've never had it before.
Take a drink.
It's just like icy.
Ooh. I got the frushi. Here it is. I'm gonna put a little bit of this whipped cream with some strawberry sauce on it. It's gonna be like my ginger and wasabi. It's as good as last year. This is delicious. I can taste the pineapple and everything. It's very sweet. Very good. Definitely get the frushi. If you can't hear by the music, Moonlight Magic has started. We got our free meal at Yorkshire Fish Company, had some fish and chips. Now we're here to enjoy the party. We just met our first character. We met Goofy in the back of the UK pavilion, dressed as a Scotsman. It was an awesome time. Can't wait to see what other characters they have and go get our first Mickey bar. Donald in his lumberjack outfit.
Number 1 duck.
Number 1 duck. He was phenomenal, as you saw. Cannot believe how good of a character meet and greet we are having tonight. It's a good time. They're in cute outfits. Love their outfits. So
Yeah.
we're gonna walk around, see what we can find. Maybe find our first Mickey bar. All right, it's time to head to the DVC dance party.
Going on Soarin'.
We're getting ready to fly around the world.
Yay!
I like the smell-o-vision.
I love the Fiji is my favorite.
The smell of it. When the whale jumps up, it gets me every single time.
I know, I always lift my feet. So we're gonna go on Soarin', and then we're gonna head over to Living with the Land. And
It's one of my favorites.
yeah, we just found out that this was one of her favorites, and it's one of our favorites. And then we're gonna go over and watch the Moonlight Magic fireworks.
All right, we are trying to get onto test track. It's really dark right now. I apologize. But those fireworks were awesome. Great fireworks. Thank you, Disney. Love that you did that for DVC. Oh, there's some light. Anyway, gonna go jump on test track, try and end the night there. We'll see ya.
Test track finished. We came in second. I don't believe it. I definitely look like we went 65 miles an hour. Yeah, they won.
Well, that's gonna do it for Moonlight Magic and day 3 of our trip.
Such a fun day.
Such a fun day, minus the rain. That's okay, we made it work, because any day in Disney's better than a rainy day. That's such a fun night here at Moonlight Magic. It was a great time. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button down below.
Also hit that like button so that you can support our channel.
And hit that bell icon so you're notified when we release new videos on Mondays and Fridays.
We had such a great time tonight with Bob and Ashley. Be sure to check out their channel. We'll link it below.
But if you're watching our channel, you probably already are subscribed to that channel. So that's okay.
Thank you for stopping by.
For the love of the mouse.
Never forget,
That it all started
with a mouse.